everybody, so we are going to do the next one in our list here. What do we have? 50, what do we got? We're going to do 62, finding below zero. So we're going to find the number of days when the temperature is below zero. Okay, so I already have this loaded into here. Hopefully I won't make any dumb mistakes this time. We have DF. I just might be wearing the same clothes, but I haven't done this in a minute, so let's check what our columns are going to be. So I don't remember. Okay, I think it's just always a good place to start. And what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the number of days where the temperature is below zero. Okay, so we have air temperature here. Let's see, we need to make sure it's the day when it's below zero. Okay, this should be pretty straightforward here. We are going to do a mask. We're going to say mask is going to be DF. It's going to be these days, although I think the quotations versus double quotations shouldn't matter in Python. We're going to say that's the mask for when it's below zero. We're going to say DF dot DF mask. So that'll apply our mask. And then, yeah, I think at this point I just need to take the count of that, right? Below zero, okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just also going to extract this column. If I could do count right here, but then it's going to get a count of all my columns. And we could maybe like check that out just to see, because you might make the same mistake. Maybe that's why you're here. Let's put that into there. We're going to get rid of this. We don't want to do a result because otherwise that'll mess us up. Let's try and run that. We're going to print. Yeah, you can see when we do the count, we're getting all of these values in here. Kind of interesting. Yeah, that's printing all those. That's interesting. I think that if we take a single value, I guess this would like kind of creating a series out of that. That's interesting. We could check that. Actually, I know it is a series. It's kind of interesting that produces a series. So we print this. Yeah, it's going to be a series object. That's interesting. Because like we take the count for the entire list. I mean, it does kind of make sense. We're taking the count for the entire list, so that's going to produce a list of its own. That's interesting though. Could be good to use later. So we put this into here. Let's just get our air temperature for that. We run it. We're going to get 49. That should be the correct answer. And we can do a return. Please. Okay, and then we can comment this. That should work. And now if we go to testing, make sure we do that bottom test. Boom. There we go. All done. Oh, it's a quick one.